Hello! We got a nice little mid-range PC we're building this morning. i5 12th gen with a 6700 XT. That'll definitely make the hairs in the back of your neck stand.
You boys.
I think I'm picking up an RX 470 4GB DVI. Oh, you watched our video.
Come on, buddy.
You're learning how to handle high-end emulation? I would think you'd be fine.
I think it'd be good for emulation.
I don't really know what high-end emulation looks like.
It depends, yeah. Most people would say high-end emulation. They're probably talking like PS3 or like newer consoles. Newer.
Far Cry 6.
I knew what he said, PS3. The PS3 is normally the pretty demanding like emulation because it's not super native, but
Yeah.
but no, I mean I think it would be fine for that, especially how cheap it is. You should try it.
I'm gonna go and preemptively look at this card.
I mean, you can. Well, I don't condone it, but you can easily emulate the Switch now, anyways. So.
He doesn't condone it, but he recommends it. I remember when it came out, and it was like, I think it was like the most expensive phone like ever.
Yeah, I had the 10. That was the first time they had the notch.
Wasn't that like the first time like a mainstream phone was like over $1,000 or something like that?
I think so. It was very expensive because that was like the first time the phone had the Face ID, Face Unlock, and the notch or whatever.
Oh, Android had that for 8 generations.
8
No,
generations.
iPhone took it and called it iLock.
iLock. What's up, Jordan? So how did it take you so long to find the Pinky Tech sticky thing, or was that always there?
No, it's been there.
Oh, it's been
I
there.
just got, like, I hadn't driven the car in a while, and when I got in, I was like, oh, there it is again.
Pinky Tech. Your stuff has been spread
Pinky
everywhere.
Tech. No, yeah, I took it off the steering wheel that day, and I just put it, like, there, and it stayed there. I want him to show my dedication to his channel.
He said like a rash. A rash you never want.
A rash that comes and goes, but mostly comes.
Lame. All you guys do is build computers on stream. LOL. Well, what do you want us to do? You want us to dance?
We do have a Shake That Bubble if you
We do.
like
so he wants to dance while we're building a PC.
Hypothetically speaking.
Hypothetically
Want to see us dance.
So yes.
I-
We had that happen with a laptop in
Yep.
Mexico.
Yep. We've had it happen with multiple things in other countries. And then I worked at a place kind of like before this, and almost everything we shipped was at a country. And I can't even tell you like how many times we'd have things for no good reason that would just get stopped in customs forever. Like we never even got them back, and we just had to send the customer a new one. So the last thing we want is to be out multiple thousands of dollars and look horrible while doing it.
So yes, that is why we only do US. And that's why we try to open up gift cards and other things to other countries, because we don't want to exclude people outside the US, but it's just PCs are big like items. Like it's really hard to just, ship it and get it there in one piece.
Yep. Large ticket items.
One thing that could be cool though, other experiment with the shipping prices is when we start getting them, those mouse pads might be a cool giveaway item.
Yeah, I really want to open, I think merch, like anything merch related, that would be cool to do worldwide.
Yeah.
Which I think right now you can get it in a few other countries, but not like all of them.
But yeah, I don't think we've mentioned it we mentioned it in videos at the end, but we are working on custom gaming desk pads and also like build mats for building gaming PCs on. They look really good.
Yeah, they're looking really good.
So you'll be able to buy those from PC Bros at some point in the future. I think Zach should be finishing it up soon, and then we should be ordering the mouse. So give me a sneak peek of them. I'll think maybe we'll make that a let's just wait till they're finalized, and then we'll do a sneak peek probably during like the giveaway stream or some other morning stream for you guys. Serious question: what is the cheapest computer spec to play WoW Max at 1440p? Well, World of Warcraft runs on anything, from what I remember. So 1440p.
They did say max though.
Yeah, I don't know what that even looks like. Honestly, I wouldn't even know the performance.
Best thing to do would be look up look up benchmarks. Maybe start with like, I'm just gonna throw out some specs. Start off with like RTX 3060 plus.
I wouldn't even think it would need that.
I don't know.
Because I was even saying, like, I was going to start with, like, one of those 580 2048 stream processors. Let's see.
You think at 1440 max settings?
I think so.
Wow. I don't know. I guess it depends. Well, it depends on what part, too. I know raids can be, like, really demanding.
Let's see what an old school 580 can do.
I'm sure some people in chat could give some ideas as well.
Yeah, I mean, it looks like 1080p with a 580 gets, like, 160 FPS on average.
1080p with the 580. Is that max settings?
Ultra settings.
Okay. I guess that's max.
Yeah, I guess that's max.
So 1440, if you want to keep a high refresh rate during like heavy
A raid or
raids,
something, you'd probably
so
want.
maybe 580 or slightly better.
Yeah, if you're talking about like cheap, obviously go with a newer GPU. But if you're like serious question, like how cheap could I go, then I mean,
I'm surprised. They have 780 Ti and they said it won't run it at all.
I don't believe that.
Yeah, it's kind of surprising. Because I mean, I imagine the 780 Ti probably is pretty close to a 580, right? In terms of the performance. Maybe not driver-wise now, but.
What PC should I get cheap? Well, you should go to PCBros.tech and check out our new updated website. By the way, guys, if it's been the website recently, we just pushed a new look to the website. So let us know what you think.
Check it out, guys. We're still working on a couple of things for it, but we're very happy with it so far.
Please do part 4 of PC Wars. You talking about the wheel spin video? We'll definitely do another one.
Yeah, those are fun.
Wheel spin, wheel spin. What case are you guys using? This is the Zalman Z7 Neo with RGB sync, which means it has 4 RGB fans pre-installed, and I think they're proprietary. Not ARGB, they're proprietary.
Wait, it's a good thing this thing
It's not RGB.
It's USB too.
I'm ready.
Implanting. I like how the inside of this case is white. This would be a really, really good example of doing like white and black sleeve cables.
It would look cool.
I definitely just set it on top of some stuff here.
Just say the cable.
Boom.
Say the data.
Yeah, I don't know. If I was doing a school, I mean, this is just me, and I'm very Windows biased. I don't think I would do Mac for kids. I don't know. Although it'd probably be better because, you know, viruses and stuff. But yeah. I just feel like when you look at, well, I don't know. I don't really have a good excuse for it, honestly.
Yeah, it really just depends. Like, I mean, at the end of the day, you're going to school and they're like kind of training you to like use something that you might use in the workforce, and it's still split wherever you go. There are some places that use Apple products primarily, and others that use Windows. So, you know. The
good news for like typing and stuff, it doesn't change.
It doesn't. That doesn't change.
Does Apple have a like a Chromebook? Is it not?
It's just the Air, but it's still $1,000.
Yeah, they really. I wonder if they could like why they haven't done that, because that could be huge for them.
Honestly, it might just be iPads. iPads with keyboards is what they're probably trying to do.
That's a good point. But then, well, even then, like, what's like the cheapest new? Not like.
I think they're like $300 now.
It's not too bad.
But their iPads. They're limited. Like they can't do everything a computer can do.
Building a 7900X 3D, what should I pair with it? A 7900 XT or the 4090 Ti? Ooh, that's a tough one, because like it could be cool to go all AMD, but also wait, 4090 Ti, is that out?
Yeah, what are you talking about? Are you waiting for a 4090 Ti?
I will say, if that's a thing you think is gonna happen, the 4090 Ti I can guarantee will absolutely like destroy.
Because the 4090 already beats it.
Yeah. You always wonder why Apple never got into gaming PCs or laptops. Hey, they're a smart company. I mean, I'm sure there's a reason they don't do like Chromebooks, and I'm sure there's a reason they've never really focused on like gaming.
Do an Apple thing.
It's good because Apple with their M chips, it's like they totally probably could do a little more stuff with gaming, but I honestly think at the end of the day, Apple and iPhones and this, that, they're always going to be their exclusive like built-in environment. So I think they don't really want to bring in all of these like games and stuff like that. Did you see my cable management in the Discord? I can go look. Where'd you put it?
Take a look at your cable management. You compare phone performance to PC performance. Well, there's a benchmark that goes across both. You could. I'm just saying, guys, when Temu sells gaming PC hardware, it's over.
Oh yeah,
it's over, dude.
I'm surprised, like, well, because I guess it's not really, it's individual sellers, right?
Yes, I'm just waiting for somebody to start selling stuff.
Like, how has no one gotten on there yet with how crazy they're going? Like, there has to be some PC companies.
Temu has it set up. Everyone who commented was like, I got a Temu ad watching this. I got a Temu ad. And have you seen the ad that they do?
Oh, yeah, they're...
The fucking Nintendo Switch ad
the
for
one where it's
$7.
$7, and it's like the white guy comes in, and then the Asian guy comes in, and he's like...
It played every time on our video, over and over again. I'm just like...
Yep, I saw that exact one on other videos, even.
Dude, Temu is something.
I don't even know how to feel about that ad either, because I'm like, I get what they're going for, but it also just, it feels so scammery.
It is. Like, Temu, what are you doing?
Alright, I got 2 fans. Actually, I'm gonna... Oh no, I think I said 2.
You can put them both right here.
You got a pre-built with an i7 8700. I can throw a GPU up to 150 watt TDP. I was thinking 5600 XT. I'd probably, if you can afford it, do the 6600 or 6600 XT.
Be more efficient too. Well, in terms of like performance per watt.
Yeah, and I think that the 6600 and the XT both use like maybe
120, 130.
Yeah, 120 or 130.
That's the one thing I never even, because you don't really notice it with it, I just never remembered that the 6600 is a 8x card.
Oh, is it?
Yep. And that's why.
Well, then I guess that's a do thing for the
yes.
video we're doing then.
Yes. Because those did okay.
So is it 8x by 4?
Yes.
Oh, that's cool. As FireSport has the new connector too.
Oh, it's a Seagate Type 1 up then. I know it has that connector.
She okay.
Banana fun.
Welcome to Toaster Streams, where we make random sounds and ignore chat.
I know. I got nuts for everyone.
He's got nuts
Wait,
for everyone.
Hold up.
Guys, Jonah McAllister's not going to be here today, so if you want nut buttons, Jonah's the guy.
Jonah's like the substitute teacher.
He's subbing in for nuts.
Good morning.
The nuttitude. It's like really easy to twist it, which I don't really love.
Guys, I need to do the nut button again because you all yelled over it, so. There we go.
I guess that's the best argument we're going to get. He's not Josh Allen, guys. We've been over this.
McAllister doesn't even do it. He's so nonchalant with the nut button, it's not even funny.
He doesn't take his job seriously.
No, he doesn't.
Ooh, look at that. It's actually really cool looking.
After being on his job for years, he just
After he's been on his job.
on his job.
That's some cool liquid, guys. Let's all just stare at it. Just block. Yeah, it's gonna reach 100 C at idle.
It almost needs to be red because of the graphics card. I feel like. There we go.
It's red what you desire.
Yeah. Thanks for watching the clips video, guys, because no one else did an outro. Yay!
Oh yeah, thank you. That's Jonah's outro today.
Yeah.
I mean, you have Zach over here just like, I don't even know what. I mean,
Making a chastity belt.
All right, guys. Peace out. See you tomorrow.